Hi, Dr. Rodney here. Gym memberships aren't cheap, and according to some of the reports, the average monthly cost is around $58. Of course, some people pay much more for their gym memberships, and they often shell out hundreds of dollars per year. But the good news is the cost of a gym membership is returned in the form of cost savings. You have a lot of benefits. In other words, exercising can save you big bucks. According to a recent study published in the Journal of American Heart Association, exercising the minimum amount that's recommended can save you big bucks over the course of a year. There's no denying the fact that lack of exercise is bad for your health. When you live a sedentary lifestyle, it increases your risk of diabetes, your risk of heart disease, your risk of high blood pressure, and many, many more debilitating health conditions. As a result, individuals who fail to exercise the recommended amount of time often expend more money on healthcare costs. Research from the Center for Health Advancement and the Outcomes and High-Risk Cardiovascular Disease Clinic wanted to further study and examine this belief. So they scoured over 26,000 cases involving people 18 years of age and older. And what did they find? They found that the people with cardiovascular disease who exercise at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 25 minutes of vigorous aerobic activity spend on average $2,500 per year on healthcare costs, much less than people who did not meet the federal government's minimum recommendations. Even among a high-risk group such as those diagnosed with heart disease or stroke, those who engaged in regular exercise activities reported a much lower risk of being hospitalized, having less emergency room visits, and less use of prescriptive medications. This was an amazing finding, but one that we would expect to hear when we actually start to analyze the data of people that exercise, even when you have diseases. And of course, exercise is only one of the steps towards reducing healthcare costs. Nutrition, we've talked about that before, equally, if not more important than exercise. By eating the right foods, you'll reap the benefits of a stronger immune system, while you're reducing the frequency of colds and other infections. A good rule of thumb for your diet is to have a diet based around fresh foods, fresh vegetables, fresh fruit, focusing on healthy, unsaturated fats, and limiting your intake of saturated fats. So what we know is that through diet and exercise, you can live a healthier, longer life, spending less money on health care, feeling better, and that's something we should all strive for. Something that just using very basic concepts improve our everyday, day-to-day life. So if you'd like more information, you can check out our website, or you can just kind of log on to YouTube occasionally and check out our videos. So it's been a pleasure talking to you and wishing you good health today and every day. Thank you. I'm Dr. Rodney.